My presentation will focus on implementation challenges on expanding access within the Western Pacific region. Now, without doubt, the Western Pacific region bears the major burden of hepatitis B. Now, clearly shown here, there are major gaps in testing and treatment, with only 14% of treatment-eligible candidates receiving treatment. There are implementation challenges even for simplified hepatitis B guidelines, particularly at the primary care level, which includes lack of access to diagnostic and capacity to achieve the elimination goals. Now, indications for hepatitis B treatment are primarily based on a combination of the two main criteria, which are liver disease and viral activities. Now, blood-based biomarkers is recommended to assess liver disease with a lower threshold for APRI to expand treatment eligibility. Now, although hepatitis B DNA is recommended to assess viral activity, access and cost of hepatitis B DNA remain barriers. Now, e-antigen positivity may be used as a surrogate marker of active viral replication in resource-limited settings. Now, to expand and decentralize testing and treatment services through public health approach, it requires capacity building at the primary care level. Hepatitis services can be expanded and decentralized using the regional framework for reaching the unreached endorsed by member states in 2022, which emphasized on the operational shifts needed to transform the health systems and services to reach everyone, leaving no one behind. Now, people-centered life course approach to eliminate viral hepatitis require key shifts and integration such that there are continuous investment in primary prevention and reducing stigma and discrimination, and strategic collection and use of country-level data for policy and action. Now, to summarize, there are large gaps in diagnosis and treatment in hepatitis B care cascade. Now, simplifying the hepatitis B guidelines may address the challenges in identifying suitable candidates for treatment. Now, WHO in the Western Pacific region has recommended setting clear target and strategy for testing, linkage to care and treatment, and call for operational shifts for an overall systems approach, and including addressing stigma and discrimination. With that, thank you.